Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about KSP, solubility product, and solubility. Solubility product, which is also called KSP, is not just same as solubility. For example, let's say there's calcium fluoride. This solid will be dissolved in calcium ion and fluorine ion in a solution. Then, in this case, constant K cannot include solid or liquid. It only includes gas or aqueous. So KSP in this case will be the molarity of calcium ions and molarity of fluorine ions. But be careful, put the exponent of fluorine ion as 2 because it has 2 for coefficient. KSP, the solubility product, can be written as this. However, solubility is defined by how many mole per liter of this can be dissolved. This is the definition of solubility. Now let's look at some example. For example, there is copper bromide solid, which is in equilibrium to form copper ions and bromide ion. The KSP will be molarity of copper ion and molarity of bromine ion. Let's say a premise is that solubility of copper bromide is same as 2.0 times 10 to the power of -4 mole per liter. Then, as the copper bromide is dissolved in the solution, 2.0 times 10 to the power of -4 mole of copper ion and bromine ions are formed. So which means KSP can turn into 2.0 times 10 to the power of -4 times the same thing. The shortened version is 2.0 times 10 to the -4 squared. This will be the value of KSP, which will be 4.0 times 10 to the power of -8. There is no unit for KSP. Let's look at another example. Let's say there is calcium bromide solid. This will be forming products of ions like this. Let's say KSP of calcium bromide is 3.2 times 10 to the power of -11. Then, if the question asks to find solubility of calcium bromide, let's start with writing KSP expression. this part is really important. Because the coefficient of calcium bromide is 1, and for calcium ion is also 1, and only the bromine ion has 2, the solubility calculation should look like KSP is equal to, let's set the solubility as X, the variable X times 2x squared. The reason why we're putting 2x for bromine ion is because as 1 mole per liter of calcium bromide is dissolved, 2 mole per liter the bromine ion is dissolved. So we should put 2x to solve this question. Then when we calculate for variable x, x will be equal to 2.0 times 10 to the power of -4 mole per liter. This will be the solubility of calcium bromide. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video.